Hi, this is Pat Johnson, your psychology instructor, and in this mini lecture we're going to talk about social loafing. An alternate name for this is why I don't assign group projects. So I'm a teacher and I've been teaching for many years, and at the beginning of my teaching career I once in a while would assign a group project, and I would have some students give kind of a little smirk smile, and I would have other students get really upset over projects where the whole group worked on it and everybody got the same grade. And one of the reasons why students would get upset, as they would tell me later, is not everybody pulled their own weight in doing the group project. So I stopped assigning group projects, or at least group projects where everybody got the same grade. I will sometimes have students work together, but everybody is graded individually. So, social loafing, the concept is the tendency for people in a group to exert less effort when pooling their efforts towards attaining a common goal than when individually accountable. So all that means is when individual effort can't be evaluated, we are less likely to do our optimal performance. And let me give you an example. Let's suppose you're playing tug of war. So here's you, and here's another person, and you two are playing tug of war against each other. It's just you and the other person. Well, obviously, we will know whether or not you win or the other wins based on which individual does, pulls harder. But let's now say that it is group tug of war, which is typically more common. And there are numerous people on each side. Let's put 3 people on each side. And we'll put a couple people over here. I can't draw. You know that already. And here's another person. And let's say this person is smiling. And let's actually give them some kind of wimpy arms. And why is that person smiling? Because this person here isn't pulling very hard. And nobody knows that this person isn't pulling very hard. Maybe they're grunting, maybe they're groaning, maybe they're acting like they're pulling hard. But whether or not this side wins, it's really hard, and especially if we put another 8 people out here, it would be really hard to tell what the actual effort was of any one individual. And that's social loafing. Again, the tendency for people in a group, so this is something that happens in a group, that's the social part, to exert less effort, that's the loafing part, when pooling their efforts, in other words, when everybody's working together toward attaining a common goal, than when individually accountable. So again, the key to social loafing is that individual effort can't be evaluated. It's being evaluated as a group. And that's social loafing, and that's why I don't assign any common grade group projects.